Hello everyone. Unfortunately, I haven't actually made it down to a Hörmann siren today because the last couple of days I've took very unwell, and I have this huge abscess in my mouth and half my face is swollen up. Honestly, it's like I've swallowed a massive baseball and it's stuck in my jaw or something. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's absolutely awful, and it's been giving me so much pain, and I'm too scared to go and get it seen to. So I don't know what's happening yet, but I'm not able to go out really. So what I'm going to do is film the test from my balcony. So I wasn't well this morning. I did plan to go down to a nearby Hörmann anyway to film it, but I really took not well and it ended up delaying me, so unfortunately I haven't made it out, and I really apologise for that. But let's go out onto my rarely used balcony and we'll get it from here, okay? While we're waiting on the test, you can see Long Gannet Power Station's chimney there. I never realised that it was so close within viewing range of my window before. I never knew. I never noticed that before. I'm going to start coming out here more and looking at it at night and like taking videos and do a time lapse with it and stuff while it's still there. But today we'll focus on the big one. Now I'm hoping that the traffic isn't too bad, but I think we should still be able to hear it pretty well regardless, because I filmed the big test from my balcony before and you could hear it pretty well, the high tones and the low tones, so it shouldn't be a problem. I mean, there'd be a lot of traffic around at the one I was going to film anyway, so yeah, just quickly wanted to let you know, give you the rundown what had happened before the test started, just in case anyone wonders why I didn't make it down to a Hörmann. I'm trying to keep my face at an angle here so that no passing motorists see my huge swollen lump. There we go. We got an eclipse bus in, that's a bonus. So I can hear the high tones and the low tones really perfectly well. I hope the camera's picking them up alright. I just briefly caught the beginning of the wind down there, but the trucks unfortunately kind of stifled out the rest of it. It didn't sound like much, like it didn't sound like a long wind down anyway with lots of ambience. It just sounded like one of the quick ones. So it just depends with the way the wind and stuff as well, you know, how good the ambience actually is. So all clear should be coming next. So sorry about all the shaking, I'm trying to hold it so steady. I didn't have time to set anything up out on the balcony to steady the phone. But I haven't been able to eat anything in like 2 days. So I'm kind of trying to hold this steady. Hopefully we can catch the wind down on the all clear. This is why I think they should be tested at night. Not only would the roads be quieter and they could be heard more, but if they were heard more people could hear what they're like from like a distance and stuff. You know, you could hear them better, I think, when they get tested. They should test them at night. But I know that some people would find that too scary. That was a problem with the FP10 and the FP6. That's louder than the actual test itself. That car had antlers on each side of it. That was cool. I jumped there, a big fly just got in the house. So I hope it was a fly. Suppose it wasn't a spider or something, it can sting me, then I'm not too bothered. Oh, there wasn't any wind down on that either. I think you need to be at one of the further away Hörmanns, you know, that's on the outskirts of Grangemouth. They really pick up the ambience of the wind downs and stuff. Like the very first Hörmann video I did down at the ADC, which is just on the outskirts. It's not right in Grangemouth. Yeah guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll get this uploaded quick. Sorry I didn't make it down, but as I say, I'm seriously, like really crappy right now, and health-wise. But now, I'm going to title it Hörmann ECN Semi-Annual Dual Tone, High Tone, Low Tone, whatever. And I know that some people have been disputing with me that those high tone ones are not actually Hörmanns. Well, I know for a fact that the low tones are Hörmanns, and I know that there are low tones in that complex. We could just hear them. I've seen them. I've seen the Hörmanns in the complex. So, until any clarification comes through that those high tone ones are not Hörmanns, I'm going to call them Hörmanns regardless. So, spare me that, okay? Just let me call them Hörmanns, okay, until we get some clarification. But I know for a fact now, I got clarification that the low tones are Hörmanns. So there's no disputing that, but we already knew that. But the high tone ones, you know, I've got a lot of people saying they're this make or they're another electronic make, and I'm like, well, honestly, I don't know, but I did a little audio that I'm going to upload at some point where I messed around with the Hörmann's, one of my test videos. I changed the audio and I sped up the low pitch to make it the same frequency as the high pitch to see if it sounded identical, and it does. Totally identical. So I am going to say that the Hörmann's, from what I've seen and heard. So that's it. The Hörmann's until we know otherwise, okay? So stop correcting me. Okay guys, I'll get this uploaded. I hope you enjoyed it. I did my best. So yeah, bye.